Welcome back to Pedal Whisper. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Nutripro Copper Juicer Mixer Grinder, a 500-watt kitchen appliance that's designed to handle multiple tasks like making smoothies, juices, chutneys, and even dry grinding. With its sleek silver finish and powerful motor, this product promises to make your kitchen routine faster and more efficient. Let's explore whether it lives up to the hype. When you unbox the Nutripro Copper Juicer Mixer Grinder, you'll find a compact yet versatile set that includes 3 jars: a blending jar, a grinding jar, and a sipper jar for your smoothies. The motor base is compact with a shiny silver finish, giving it a modern and premium look. The jars feel sturdy, and the overall build quality is impressive for its price range. The sipper jar is a thoughtful addition, especially for busy individuals who want to take their smoothies or juices on the go. It also comes with a 2-year warranty, which gives extra peace of mind about its durability. The performance of this juicer mixer grinder is where it truly shines. First, I tested its smoothie-making capabilities by blending a combination of bananas, milk, and ice. In just a few seconds, it created a smooth, creamy drink with no chunks or unblended bits. The 500-watt copper motor is powerful enough to handle tough ingredients like ice cubes without a struggle. Next, I tried dry grinding some spices to check its grinding jar, and it performed exceptionally well. The spices were ground evenly, and the process was quick and efficient. Lastly, I made a coriander chutney using the smaller jar, and the results were just as impressive. The sharp blades and high-speed motor worked together to create a smooth, fine paste in no time. The jars are easy to clean, making the whole process hassle-free. The sipper jar deserves a special mention here. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and seals tightly to prevent any spills, making it perfect for taking your smoothies or juices on the go. Customer reviews for the Nutripro Copper Juicer Mixer Grinder are mostly positive. Many users appreciate its compact size, powerful motor, and the versatility of its jars. It's often praised for being reliable and providing good value for money. The controls are simple and easy to use, even for beginners. However, there are some common concerns reported by users. A few customers experienced issues with the product's durability, with some reporting that the blender stopped working properly after a few months of use. While these cases are not widespread, it's a reminder to handle the product with care and use it as per the instructions. If you do face any issues, the 2-year warranty is there to back you up. Overall, the Nutripro Copper Juicer Mixer Grinder is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a versatile and affordable kitchen appliance. It's perfect for making smoothies, grinding spices, and preparing chutneys quickly and efficiently. The powerful copper motor ensures reliable performance, and the compact size makes it ideal for small kitchens. While there are occasional durability concerns, the 2-year warranty offers added security for your purchase. If you're interested in trying out this product, check the link in the description below for more details and to make your purchase. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product reviews.